What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we have our kit of the month. Now I don't know why this box is big. I did not order anything extra for this month. But whatever. I think this is April or May. No, this is May, I think, of kit of the month from the Salvinos JR Models. So we're gonna experience this together. We're gonna see what's in this box because I have no idea what's in here. I know one kit, but I don't know why this box is big. I don't think I ordered anything extra, but let's go ahead and find out and see what we got. So, look at that. We got some extra decals. Very cool. We do have the Club sticker. Pretty cool. SalvinosJRModels.com. Wicked neat. So we got that, and then oh, there's two kits in here. That's weird. Did I get picked by Jim for getting a kit for free? Oh, I might have. So they got that kit from Richard Petty, and then this is the kit that I knew I was getting. And this is the kit of the month right here. We get the Veneer Racing 1978 Oldsmobile. This is a really cool paint scheme. Absolutely love this paint scheme. So that is that, and this is cool. I think I got picked for to get a kit for free because just in case you don't know, I think because I did not order this. I did not buy this, and I think so. Yeah, I think I did win this. This is cool. I'm gonna check back. So just in case you don't know, every Tuesday they do a live stream, just for the Builders Club. That's on Facebook, and every stream they do, they pick two winners to get a kit for free. And I must have got chosen a few weeks ago. I was not aware of. That's pretty cool. So, and they choose a random kit to give you, and I got the Pontiac. Oh, this is so cool. 85 Pontiac Grand Prix. Oh, this is so cool. Richard Petty. Really neat. So we're not going to open this because this is not about this kit, but this is really cool. I got picked. That's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and show you some goodies that we got. So we got that. We got another Richard Petty paint scheme right here. Here it is. This is pretty cool. Richard Petty. Oh, this is the same here. Oh no, this is different. This is 86. This is 85. Okay, so I was gonna say that's pretty cool. They gave me the decal sheet for it. So we got a Richard Petty Grand Prix. So we got that, and then we do have it looks like another Kyle Larson. There's the black or the white decals, and then another Kyle Larson. I believe this is his 2020. I think this is his 2022. This is his Coca-Cola 600 car right here, I believe. But pretty cool. So really neat. We got another Kyle Larson. I might have had that one already. I'm not sure, but yeah, pretty cool. So we got two decals in this week's or this month's kit. So, and then there is the rotoscope sticker. Pretty cool. Love that. Really neat. So back to this beautiful kit. We're going to go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit closer. Oh wait, so Veneer Racing, really neat. We have not gotten the Oldsmobile kit from the Builders Club in quite some time, quite a while. I never gotten one since I joined a little over 2 years ago. So this is pretty neat. There is some of their kits that is coming out. Well, been out, or actually coming out. Actually, we got that one. Then we got another Chase Elliott coming out. We got that one a few months ago, and this is a new one. We got our Joey Logano Ford coming out. Now, just in case you don't know about the Fords, JR Models, they're not producing as many Fords. I think they have 4 or 5 Fords coming out from different drivers. So if you do want one, make sure you do order one because I think they're only making a quantity of 1,000 of each model. The reason being is because Ford is giving them a very hard time for licensing. I don't know why. I don't know why Ford is giving them a hard time because Ford is literally getting money for JR Models by doing these kits because JR Models gives them money for the licensing and stuff. So I don't know why Ford is giving Salvinos a really hard time for licensing. It's kind of stupid. And then there's the bottom of the box. So you got some colors you need for this kit, your tools and stuff. And there's the Builders Club. So pretty neat. let's go ahead and crack this one open. So this is gonna be a new box style. So go ahead and crack it open and see what we got. Guys, I really want to check out this decal sheet, because this paint scheme is so nice. Like the light green blue color in the gold and on the white. I love it. That looks really nice. So got our pizza box, donut box right here. There is our clear parts, and then there is our Oldsmobile body. Yeah, I've never gotten an Oldsmobile kit, a 70s Oldsmobile kit, so this is new for me actually. So pretty neat. There's our louvers for the back, or not louvers, but you know, the window bracing. There's a front end. This is beautiful. This is a really nice body style. This is a pretty long body, so really neat. Molded in white, so pretty cool. I think this is designed by Jim. I think it is, because usually has his name on there, or Salvinos JR Models. I don't think this was a real monogram kit. It might have been. I don't think it is. No, it's not. It's not. We do have our slicks. Really neat. JR slicks are so nice. The picture tires are getting a little bit softer, so that's kind of nice. And then we do have our chassis. Again, this shares a bunch of cars from Salvino's 70s cars lineup. So it's two-piece. It's because it's it's meant for other cars. And then you do have this tree's the same as well. Same engine block, but again you do put on different heads and stuff for the Hemi, or it can be a small block, regular small block V8. Here is this tree exclusively for the Oldsmobile. Here your model on the hood. There's your private roll cage, your dry shaft. So pretty cool. And here's your intake and stuff. And then we do have more parts for the Oldsmobile, or yeah, Oldsmobile. Actually, no, this is for the Monte Carlo. So that's Monte Carlo grill. You're not gonna be using that. I believe you'll be using this bumper and stuff. Again, not in chrome. I think this car has chrome. Yes, so the bumpers are chrome and the wheels are chrome. So you are gonna have to paint these wheels and bumpers in chrome. They're not doing chrome anymore because too many people did not like the real chrome. They got too many people complaining about the real chrome. So they're, you know what? You guys don't like the real chrome? We're not gonna do any chrome at all. So hey, so you guys suit it. They complain, you get what you want. So, but I liked it. But people complain. That means everybody has to suffer to have no chrome in their kits. Here is the instruction sheet. So pretty neat. So that's gonna be pretty much almost the same for their kits. So pretty nice. There is our decal placement. So this instruction sheet looks pretty nice. A lot of previous ones I gotten are kind of blurry, but this one's very clear. Yeah, this is really clear. So wicked nice. Here is your suspension and stuff. So pretty neat. Make sure you do pay attention. So pretty cool. There is our final assembly and decal placement. There's our decal placement. So nice and large and big. Pretty neat. Very cool. So got that. Then the final piece of the puzzle we're gonna look at is the decals, and this is a beautiful color. It's a completely different color that you guys are seeing on screen. It's more lighter than what you guys are seeing on screen, but this is a really nice paint scheme. I love this paint scheme. The white, and it's not gold actually, it's orange. So it's pretty cool. Really cool. There's your Goodyear decals for your tires, gauge cluster, Goodyear. Here's your little sponsors. Yeah, this is cool. This is a nice decal sheet. Not overly big, but yet not too much where you're gonna get frustrated. So really nice decals. Absolutely love that. So really cool. So that is what we got for our kit of the month. I think this is a May. Yeah, this is a May one. So really cool one. Absolutely do love it. May or June. I think maybe it's May. Yeah, it's May. I'm getting so confused because they're starting to get back on track, and they ship their kits late behind, but they're getting on track again. So yeah, I think this is the last month kit of the month. So pretty cool. I definitely would get that one. That's pretty neat. And yeah, pretty neat. I got a kit free. So pretty cool. Yeah, I got my name drawn. That's pretty cool. So thank you so much, Rick and Jim. Jim is the one that calls the names. He's the one that gets the lists together and stuff. So pretty cool. We got another Reggie Petty kit. But all right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, until my next video, we'll catch you next time.